Hi and welcome to Cabin Fever Crochet with me, Helene. And today it's snowing again. I don't know if you can actually see the snow coming down, but it is, and it's what it is. But I got happy mail today. Thank you, Setta. Yay! Mail came. Oh, can you see that? I hope so. You can't tell. I got a camcorder. Yes, actually it came a couple weeks ago and I finally broke it out of the box this weekend, and I read up and read a lot of the pages on the PDF file that I downloaded on it just so I could get familiar with it and all the ins and outs. And I know they're pretty straightforward, but I wanted to be able to film and bring this to you as best as I can. So I'm practicing with it right now. I hope the lighting's okay. The viewing screen is there, but it's a little small and I'd have to get really up in it to be able to see what's happening, but hopefully it'll turn out okay. But anyway, I sent Setta some teas in her year of the tea thing she has going on, and I won one of her first drawings, which is very exciting because I love tea. I drink it every day. Sometimes I have coffee, but I'm more of a tea drinker for the most part. So she sent it to me and forgot to put my P.O. box number on there, and it went back to her. And so it just came in today's mail, and thank you, Setta, for resending that. That was so very thoughtful. I really appreciate it. It's very exciting, and I just came in the house a little while ago from walking around outside with the dogs. We took a pretty good walk actually, and even though it was very, very cold, it felt great in getting a break and getting out and getting some fresh air and moving our parts. So at the end of this video, if you want to keep watching, there's a clip or two depending on what I can load, and I'm just getting started with the editing thing, so of my girls, so you can meet them. So I call them my two dogs, my two girls that still live at home. And yeah, so in their little antics, and just shows you around the front part of our place and just a little bit of our property. And so thank you for the thank you card. That was so sweet. And I already opened it. I wanted to do it on camera, and I did, and I filmed, and it didn't come out right, not the way I wanted. So I'm sorry, you're not seeing my reaction surprise when I open everything. But very nice card indeed. Thank you. I thank you very much. So Setta sent me 3 teas, and one of them I have seeping, and it was hard for me to choose which one to try to start. So she sent the Caraco, is it Caraco? I don't know if you pronounce the CH. Caraco Gold from Kenya, which is a black tea, which will be great. And then the Twinings Premium Black Currant Breeze, which sounds absolutely delightful. Black tea and black currant pieces along with natural and artificial flavor. That sounds quite lovely, something that I'm sure that I will enjoy also. And I decided to go with the mystery tea, which is what Setta, it was tea leaf, and Setta had bagged this in a filter bag and put it in here, and I don't recall the name of it, so I'm going to have to go back to your video and find out, but I believe it had some like chocolate undertones to it. And it's so neat coming, and I had no idea that you could buy individual empty filter bags, because I use one of those stainless steel balls with the chain, and then the tea gets stuck, it's hard to clean out, I'll set it on the counter, and I don't deal with it for a little while anyway. And so this is a great way of buying loose leaf tea and then seeping your own and still being able to seep it in the bag. So I love that idea, really excited to try that. And this is what just wanted to show you. It smells, I do smell, it's a very mild hint of chocolate. I do smell that. And it has kind of an earthy, like a warm, soothing, kind of cozy smell to it. Really don't know quite how to describe it, but I let this seep and cool down a little bit. Oh, and check out my mug. Can you, the lighting, it was better the first time around. But there's St. Bernard, Poodle, Dachshund, Hound, Pug, there's Balls and Bones, and it says woof, puppy love, big dogs, in the doghouse. I love my big dog. And rough life, R-U-F-F. Get it? Cute, huh? And I got this years ago, years and years, at a Big Dogs store outlet. I don't know if you remember that line. They're kind of a beachy type of brand in a way, sort of, but just casual, outdoorsy, and they had, it was called Big Dogs. So it's kind of from the era of days gone by. So I'm going to try this, and I let it cool down a little bit so it won't burn the heck out of my mouth this time around. Oh, that's nice. That's really nice. It's mild. It's smooth. It can pretty much taste just like it smells. I like that. And I'm not just saying that either. This ain't no shop talk either. This is a real deal, and I do enjoy it. So thank you very much, Setta. I love trying new teas. This is very exciting. Oh, and these slipped out. I almost forgot. This is so cool. She sent me 2 True Lemon. I didn't even know these existed. I don't know. Where have I been? New to me, the filter bags. And the crystallized lemon, no preservatives. It does have a little citric acid in it, so it's lemon oil, lemon juice, non-GMO. So this is very cool because I love lemon. This will go perfect with the Kenya Gold, I'm sure. And I even like just lemon water sometimes too. So this will be nice for travel and on the go. So yay, thank you. Thank you very much. Fun stuff. Hey, do you notice anything different? I straightened my hair. The curls are just out of control. I don't apply heat that often. I even try not to blow dry it too much, even in the wintertime, maybe just to get my scalp, the back of my head from freezing. But it's really hard on the hair, especially if you have more fragile hair. For me, it just dries it out, and because I swim, and it takes enough abuse. Although when I do swim, I wet my hair, I saturate it really well first, and I'll put on an oil and one that is going to stay on my head. I don't want that stuff to get in the pool or conditioner or any kind of thing and ruin their water or their drains, plugs or anything, but I do put something and I let that soak in really, really well first and wet my hair so that my hair absorbs the clean, fresh water instead of the chlorinated, treated water first. And I do that with my swimsuit too. I always rinse off, get that wet before I get in the pool. So yesterday was therapy day on land, kind of switched up the routine a little bit, and now I am going to alternate one on land, one in the pool, and getting more soft tissue work because it seems like I'm developing some bursitis on the sides of my legs, both hips actually, kind of a secondary thing. And I switched therapists and this gal, and the first one, very, very nice, nothing wrong there. It's just for me, I need a little bit different fit and someone who has a much more gentle touch and really kind of gets the sensitivity thing. And 2 thumbs up, worked out a lot better. I felt better afterwards, and it's helping to break up some of the scar tissue and inflammation, and her goal is to help desensitize the nerves and release some of the tight muscles in there, so I was not sore afterwards. I didn't have to take any ibuprofen or naproxen or anything really, so that was great. And tomorrow I go in the pool. But anyway, I wanted to stop in and say hey. And also, so if you want to watch my doggy video and a little bit after the end of this, and I have with the camcorder. Yeah, I'm excited because now I'll be able to film tutorials, and I have one coming up of a hat that I designed this weekend. And also for going on location for a yarn on the lake this summer, and even out in the yard in the spring or wherever the fancy strikes me. So I hope you will enjoy that because I enjoy being here with you, and I appreciate all of you being here with me too, and all your comments and input is heartwarming, and it's really helpful for me too. So if there's any kind of content that you're interested in, that something that you would like to see or see me do, or and I keep a list going and some things as I think of, and hopefully that will be of interest to you too. So I will close for now. Okay, and so till next time, I'll see you soon. Take care. Thanks for joining me. And as always, cheers. Say hi, Lucy. Hi. What are you doing? You're so silly. Where's Tasha? What are you doing, pretty girl? There she is, way over there. Going to the house. What are you getting? Did you get the snow? Did you get the snow? I'm gonna get her. I'm gonna get her. Oh, there she goes. Oh yeah? You're so funny. What are you gonna do, you silly girl? Where'd you get Lucy? I'm gonna get her. I'm gonna get her. Oh, what? Oh, tell me about it. I know, it's so nice being outside. Sunshine. Ooh, I'm gonna get her. I'm gonna get her. I'm gonna get her. I'm gonna get that girl. Oh, there she goes. There's Tasha.